far as help is concerned, what we can do.
So what I'm basically saying is there's two separate legal issues. One is a contract dispute. If you feel like you have a contract with Cora and she didn't keep her part of the bargain and you're going to be damaged or hurt by that, that's called a breach of contract, right? And if it's under $10,000, then you would go through the justice court out here and you would say, hey, we had a contract with somebody, they breached their contract, and we believe our damages are
But
X
for that amount, we'd have to
For
go
this
to
amount,
county.
you'd have to go to Superior Court.
And
Yeah, because Justice Court it's called a limited court jurisdiction. They can only handle small claim disputes from $10,000 and down. If it exceeds $10,000, then you have to go down to the Superior Court and file it down. It's called the Superior Court, Mojave County Superior Court in Kingman. There's like 4 judges, and they would assign it to one of those judges, and then you would begin what is a civil lawsuit against them.
Okay, so instead of attacking, or coming at the trust, not attacking,
that is
we would have to come, like you said, do what was that called again?
Breach of contract.
A breach of contract.
Because what you have, this is not, if a landowner asks you to make improvements to the land, and they don't pay you for those improvements, then you can lien the property. That's lien law, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't ask you to do the improvements. So if you lien our property, we would consider that to be a fraudulent lien, and we would come after you in a very, very quick way. But what you do have, and I'm not saying you don't have any claim, what you do have is a claim against Cora Fisher directly. You guys are 2 individual people. You reached an agreement, even if it's verbal. In some cases, it can still be considered to be an actual contract. So if you have a verbal contract and preferably a written contract, if you had a written contract, that'd be fantastic. But if you have a contract with Cora directly,